Welcome to watch the tutorial video of Hubsan ZINO Mini series, Power On and Power Off. ZINO Mini series intelligent battery, equipped with a number of protection functions, the management unit of the battery power, high precision estimation and statistics, so that the safety of the aircraft has been greatly enhanced. Before powering on the drone, install the battery into the drone. Press the switch briefly and then press and hold it. The indicator light will gradually light up for powering on. Short press and then long press. The indicator light gradually extinguished. It means power off. If you need to remove the battery, please be sure to turn off the power first so as not to cause battery damage. Pinch the battery on both sides of the clasp to pull back, and then gently pluck the battery outward. You can remove the battery. Notes: power on. Be sure to install the battery in the aircraft first, then the aircraft power on operation. Power off. Be sure to turn off the power first and then take out the battery. If you turn on the battery installed in the drone or the drone open state directly, which is easy to damage the aircraft and the battery when you take it off directly. Short press the battery switch to check the battery level, which will go out after 3 seconds. Short press the battery no indicator light display, indicating that the smart battery is in the automatic hibernation state. The battery will be charged to wake up the battery. Thanks for watching.